Hi, this is Rock. We're going to look at 4 different functions: mid, length, text before, and text after, each of which is very useful. So mid grabs text from within a cell based on the specifications you're asking for. Length looks at the total number of characters in your cell, counting those characters, including spaces or special characters. Text before is similar to left in that it brings back the left side, or the text before in a cell, the delimiter that you put in there. So text after does a similar thing to the right function, allows you to put in a delimiter. I've got here a list of random order numbers, and we're going to use mid, length, text before, and text after to see how each of these works. So if I say, move these here, if I'm looking for something in the middle of this, let's say I want to grab that number there, that 36 that's between the dashes. So the start number I would count here. I want L, S, W. So I want to start on number 5. And the number of characters I want is 2. So I've grabbed that 36. And as long as the order number is consistent in the number of digits that it has, I can use that and paste that down and grab that center number from each of those. Length allows me to get the whole length of that text. So if I click on this, it tells me how many digits are in there. There are 11 digits. Paste that down, it's the same for all of them. Text before is different than left in that instead of asking the number of characters on the left of the cell that I want, I can put in a delimiter, which in this case, I'm going to use the dash as the delimiter. It also has optional arguments here for instance number, match mode, match end, and if not found, what to do. I'm just going to use these required arguments, hit close, and see how it brings the text before. And I'm going to paste that down. Text after, let's say I want to get those last 4 characters. I'll use text after. I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to use the dash as the delimiter, but in this case, I want the second instance of that dash. So I'm going to put 2 as the optional instance number indicator so that when I hit enter, it's not using the first dash, it's using the second dash. So I'm going to paste that down. If I had not used the instance number and I had just done the dash as my delimiter, it would have brought back everything after that first dash. So that's how mid, length, text before, and text after work. Next, we'll be looking at concat and concatenate. See you then.